welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So it seems like uMakhwela noMacele, they're on their own vacation. Boy Tuna, they went out. Apparently Macele invited uMakhwela out. They went to a spa, they got the full body massages, and they had a dinner, and they also slept in that venue. It was cute nje bebonda bayi-2 uMacele u-invite uSamke and said since abantu bahambile, it's just us esele, let's go out tonight and have some fun. Since uMacele does not go to family trips and uMakhwela is not yet accepted in the family, so she cannot be attending ama family trips. And the other thing is, she said that she was not even aware because there's a family trip. Umthombeni akamtshelanga. She was not aware, but then anyways, she's not like welcome, so maybe that's why he did not tell her. And then they have the massages, and then athi uMacele, they need to be free now. Lento ukuthi she must always be like a middleman kubo, because bekho free, they must be set free man, because uphuma and do things. Athi uMakhwela, it would be nice for her and Mthombeni to actually go out and do things in public and not only meet in private places. And then uMacele says, decides ukuthi they need to, he wants to call uMsele ukuthi, let me call your man and see ukuthi ngiyamthola yini, ngifonela umuntu wakho. And then uMacele tries calling, but then akamtholi, and then she ends up calling uSneh, ethi ubaba wakho ngikhulumisa naye. uSneh athi, hey, I don't know ukuthi ubaba uphi. And then they end up not talking to him. Athi uMakhwela, I'm disappointed that I couldn't speak to him. And then bahambe, they go to check into their rooms, and then later on they prepare to go for dinner. They meet up and they dress up and they go for dinner. Athi uMakhwela, hey, yaziwaze waqoqa ngathi we are going to for ama-awards. What's going to, did I miss the memo or what? Because uMacele came out like looking beautiful and all. And then they had their dinner. They sat and had their dinner. And then uMakhwela was like, can I please ask you something? There's something that I'm curious about and I've always wanted to ask you. Ngifuna ukubuza ngomthombeni. Athi uMacele, okay, go ahead. uMakhwela asked ukuthi how umthombeni has never mentioned anything about his dad. He's always talking about uGokflo, uma wakhe, like just he has never said anything about his father. And usually like guys would say, I'm building my legacy I'm building or growing my family for my father's legacy, but for him it's different. It's always uFlo, uma wakhe, it's his mother's side of the family. Athi uMacele, the issue kababa Mseleko is very sensitive. It's a sensitive matter in the family. She will not go deep into it. It's better when they discuss it. But for now, she just give him, like briefly explain to her what's going on. So Macele says that Umseleko is actually his surname, his father's surname is Ntini. Umseleko is Pongoska Mawake, because Umseleko was raised kwaMseleko because his father was not married to his mother. But briefly. And then Ati. Oh, okay, so now Makhwela is clarified. And then Makhwela asked Makhwela ukuthi how. So what do you think Umakhumalo is going to say when she sees you? I say, I don't know. Considering ukuthi owangakubo, I say, I don't know. But so what if it was you? How would you feel? If it was me, I'd be happy ukuthi like my home girl is with me, like, you know, gang at house. And you guys want to gang up on us, and then they laugh about it. I wonder if uMakhwela means this, because if some girl from her place comes and joins this Thembu Sabo, she'd be like a home girl. I doubt. And then they laugh about it. And then back to family vacation again. The family is vacation. Umselek is with his 3 wives. They are busy crafting, bumba, molding with clay. So it's uMayeni, Makhumalo no Mangwabe. uMayeni uthi yena nje in her direct sessions nje ufisa ngoba usekhaya. She does not want to be here. She's here nje because akana choice. Uzoyenza kanjani, she has kids. And then they start molding. It was such a cute setup, even Mthombeni and the 3 wives. And they're actually like getting along. They were laughing and talking, like interacting, which is something that they hardly do. As at Mthombeni, it's nice to be out because everyone is laughing, everyone is interacting. Everyone has forgotten about all the issues that are happening in Thembu Sabo. and they're just having fun and enjoying vacation. So they start molding ilo with the clay, and Umthembeni was molding a crocodile. Umayeni, I think she was molding like ukamba. I don't know what that is. And then uMangwabe ubhizi molding something that looks very suspicious, as that angasahleki uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo kept laughing. She was literally on the floor ehleka into ebumba umbali. Athi uMangwabe azangazi uThobile uhlekani kangaka. And then they start explaining what is it that they were molding. Athi uMangwabe yena, she molded a dildo, which is something that they usually use when they're demonstrating to people how to use condoms. It's confusing because it's very funny that Mangwabe is molding an image of something that she does not like or she doesn't want in real life. And then they laugh. It's like a man who's heading his kettles, and then he's also drinking umqombothi. And then there's a crocodile. Like, it was just cute. They were laughing. They were happy. Getting along for once, which is something they hardly do. So it was cute to see them get along and interacting and laughing together. And then they, like at night, they're sitting around the fire, and the kids are there, and they talk, and they're chatting, they're laughing, and then they are having they're having marshmallows and biscuits. Umnini is manning up this whole project, busy buying marshmallows for everyone. She's always brightening up the mood. Athi umnini, hey, uyazi ngiva ngiyashala kodwa man up. And then everyone was happy nje, helpful ukuthi umnini is helping them, is helping out, is a Susan abubhuti abadala. They were even saying ukuthi umnini likes being the man, being acknowledged ukuthi like he's a boy he's grown. And then they were sitting, laughing, chatting, like good family vibes. Azathi umseleki uyazini, today ngolala kamnandi, seeing this unity, seeing my family happy, interacting everyone in one place, like it's just warms my heart. I'm happy that like this is what I want. This is the kind of unity that I want to see. It's peaceful and I love that. And then Umseleki Vele he went and had an early night because like uyagula Vele anyway. Amkhaphe ulwandle and he goes to sleep, and then basala abanye, they're laughing, they're chatting. And then they start dancing. Asume Owami is like a bubbly person. Mine has been saying that Owami is just like umnini. Asume Owami asine doing the traditional Zulu dance. Asume Mawande asine, but Mawande is shy, so she's busy dancing but not like energetically. And then I don't know what they said, or it's something that Mangwabe said ukuthi how uyakwazi ukudansa nje dansa. Mangwabe Mawande got emotional and she started crying. Umakhumalo sombambe mhaka. How Mawande, don't cry, like it's okay and blah blah blah. They tried comforting her. Mpilo even stood up and went to her to comfort her. Ukuthi how sis, sorry girl, don't do this, don't cry. It's not a big deal, don't cry. Next time if you're not comfortable about something, just voice out, don't cry, or don't do it if you don't feel like you want to do it. Athi Umangwabe azangazi ukhaelani uMawande because she knows how to dance. I don't even know what she's doing this. And then athi Umayeni, how abantu abafana, as people are different, so different personalities. And then athi uMakhumalo, the thing what Mawande is doing is something that Mpilo would do. At first she did not understand her, but now she has this is something Mpilo would do. So I understand Umawande. And then Umawande, I'm telling Mpilo, it's okay. Next time you don't want to do it, just let us know so we can leave you alone. Atu Umawande in her diary, she is grateful to have a sister like Mpilo. She understands her, and all that. Atu Mpilo, and she understands this because now she's the same person. Like whenever there's a lot of people, she can't dance or sing or do anything because she gets anxiety. And then Umangwabe and walks over there to Umawande, tells her ukuthi uyazini thula ukhalelani ngizokubhonya, uyezwa, meaning ukuthi I'm gonna hit you. I mean, a kid is crying and then I mean, are you not putting fuel to the fire? And then amthulise-ke uma wanda gcina athi uma ngabe I think you must just go to sleep. Athi ufuna ukulala athi qha bathi okay thula-ke. Ambuze-ke owami udirector ukuthi hawu ukhalelani gele athi hayi uyazini I don't like dancing but uyadansa nje emhlangeni. When we go to the real dance athi yeah lapha we don't really dance, we're just doing step and it's not hectic.